Hello, peeps, and welcome back to another week of learning. This schedule outlines your lessons for the week of May 18th through the 21st. We have a shortened week because Friday, May 22nd begins the Memorial Day weekend holiday. So there'll be no school on Friday, May 22nd, or Monday, May 25th. So those 2 days, you don't have to do any work as long as you get the stuff done. So because the week has been shortened, Mr. Wygo asked us to make your lessons shorter in time and length also. So you will find that this week's lessons are not going to take you as long. So you can enjoy the holiday. I have posted that they're due at 2:30 on Thursday. However, if you need time to get them done on Friday, you can take Friday. But in my brain, Friday's a holiday, so I wanted you to try to get them done by Thursday. But if you need Friday, that's fine. Okay? So for language arts this week, we are going to be wrapping up our comparing and contrasting characters and explaining the meaning of idioms. So for both lessons, you will your I can statement is I can understand and explain the meaning of idioms. I can compare and contrast characters, settings, or events using details in the text to support my comparison. You will be doing 2 short stories and answering just a few questions for each one that involves comparing and contrasting characters and explaining the meaning of idioms. So the first one is All in a Day's Work. The second one is The New Village. Be sure to take your time reading and answering the questions. Remember to submit your work and turn it in on our Google Classroom page. Okay, and that's where I give you your feedback. I'm going to remind you to check in with your own math teacher for lessons for math for the week. We're moving back to science this week. I hope all of you that needed to complete the Naviance assignment for Ms. Sarah Candace got that done. If you didn't, you're going to have to reach out to her if you need help or extended time, okay? But this week we're moving back to science and we're going to be looking at motion again. And this week we'll be looking at balanced and unbalanced forces. So you're going to be able to define force as any push or pull on an object, and you are going to be able to explain unbalanced force is needed to make a resting object move and to bring a moving object to rest, or to change the direction of a moving object. So really interesting information that you probably never thought about involving gravity and balanced and unbalanced forces. So that's this Nearpod here. Okay, again, make sure you take your time, work through it. If you don't understand it, reach out to me. That goes for any of the Nearpods, okay? Make sure you turn in your work in our classroom page so I can give you some feedback. Reminder, you still have specials, so you want to click on the specials individual classroom links to find your lessons for the week, okay? And if you need a review of this audio, you're going to come back to this page and click here, or I also have the link on our classroom page. We will have a Zoom on Monday, and on Wednesday, we will have a Zoom from 1:30 to 2. I have a 2 o'clock meeting, so that Zoom will be from 1:30 to 2. And I'm thinking we're going to look at how to work a combination lock for your Paxson lockers. And we'll talk about Paxson a little bit too, okay? Your library resources are here again. Also, if you want to access books online, there's that link. I'll be posting your summer reading. Ms. Gandolfo shared that with me, so keep an eye out for that because you will be required to do some summer reading before school starts in September. And you will do projects with those books in your English class, so make sure you get a jump on that. And as always, our extras down here, you can link into those. And that is our overview for the week. So if you have any problems, questions, concerns, remember you can reach out to me in Google Hangouts. You can email me because I think your email is working, although I haven't really tried that yet. And pop into our Zoom meetings because we're always reviewing concepts there. Okay? All right. Have a great weekend, and I will see you Monday.